Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to forward your AOL mail to a Gmail account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the AOL mail application on your smartphone and then proceed with logging into your account if you haven't done so already by using your credentials. After logging into your account, tap on the inbox menu and you will be taken into your mail page. Now just open up any email that you wish to forward, and once you open the email, you will find the More option at the bottom right corner. Just tap on this and now you will see the Forward button. Tap on the Forward button and now this will add your email into a new email that you can forward to anyone. Now within the To section, just type in the Gmail account that you wish to forward this email to, and you can also enter a message body if you wish. Then finally tap on the Send button at the top right corner and your email will be forwarded to the Gmail ID that you just mentioned. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to forward your AOL mail into a Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.